You're going to love this. Kids are learning lessons not just in the classroom, but also in the kitchen.
That's all thanks to the Young Chef Academy. Their cooking classes for kids have been popping up all over the country. And now one is opened in Hartford County. ABC 2 News' Chanel Perriman has that story.
Remember, we teach mise en place.
Feeding a passion for cooking and the love of good food.
I feel happy when I cook.
At the Young Chefs Academy in Bel Air, kids are getting hands-on experience inside the kitchen.
I think it's amazing that I get to learn new things and cook.
Chefs in training as young as 4 and as old as 18 can learn to whip up a wide variety of recipes.
I've always loved teaching kids how to cook.
Adam Bell opened Young Chefs Academy back in February. Dozens of kids have already signed up, all wanting to put their skills to the test.
It's huge, right? Because they learn a value and the joy and value of learning how to cook, and that sticks with them for their whole life.
So far, the lessons have been sticking, and these kids love what they've been making.
We made molten chocolate lava cakes with homemade whipped cream.
The chocolate raviolis. The banana coconut muffins.
Mixing up new dishes and adding a touch of style all their own.
You get to try new things that you haven't tried before, and you get to learn how to do new things.
All the right ingredients for success in the kitchen.
This place is really a nice place to start cooking.
Making yummy treats with life lessons on the side, well worth it for these young chefs.
I was really happy. I was jumping up and down like this.
If your kid likes to cook or is just interested in taking classes, Young Chefs Academy is still accepting students. They are hosting a grand opening day next Saturday where you can learn more about the different programs they offer and the tasty treats your child can learn. For ABC 2 News, I'm Chanel Perriman.
I know that's going to be hot on the web, so it'll be on abc2news.com.
It's a great program.
You're going to be, people are going to be swamping that place.
Sounds like a good idea.
All right,